Gonna do the driver's side. They're gonna be right there. So what we gotta put is that up there, and then we gotta put these nuts right there on them studs right there, and then that's gonna be hooked up, and then we can come back and do the passenger side over here, and then we can drop the X pipe on that bit. We about to put the fucking cat on there. So you gotta get your shit up here. I don't know if y'all can see it that good, but you gotta get it up there. So let's get that bitch up there. And then we gotta put the bolts up there. We're gonna get the pipe. It's fairly easy. Or does this one go on? Nah, yeah, that's the correct side. Okay. Hold that right there. Let's get a nut on there. Alright, got one nut. Now we gotta get the other nut on there. 17 mil. Okay. Now we get to 17 and we gotta tighten that bit. So right now, I gotta move the fucking shit. So y'all gonna be upside down while I pick this shit up there, I guess. I don't know. While I tighten that bit, I guess. Yeah, that's great. Alright. Damn, yeah. Stupid ass shit. Right there, I guess. That's great. Tighten that bit. Then we're gonna get that other side. I ain't gonna lie, that's a bitch. How the fuck I'm gonna get that shit, fam? Need like a universal joint or some type of shit, right? Matter of fact, let me just take this bitch off the extension. Take the extension off. Try to do it like that. Oh my God. No space, my nigga. Ain't gonna lie, y'all boys. This shit right here, that bit gonna take a minute, alright? So I'm gonna just cut that bit real quick. I get y'all boy whenever I'm done putting that bitch on there. Cause as you can see, that bit gonna go left, right, into the firewall, and then back to the transmission. So give me like 5 minutes, hold up. Alright, y'all boys, so we done got this side in there. Yeah, as you can see, that bit on move. So then we're gonna throw the S pipe on, but we gotta put the other side on first, so they're gonna have to do that. But I ain't gonna lie, I eventually got a universal joint, cause I ain't about to be here all day fucking turning 2 centimeters, and yeah, nigga, nah. Let's get that bitch under though. Same process, boys. We got these here. I bet. Okay, where my nuts at? Where my nuts at? Fuck, where my nuts at? Why I pick the damn nuts? Alright, bet. get one nut on there, screw that boy on there. Yup. So it's all the way on out there. And tighten. Just so you can hold the basics. Now we get the other nut and we put that one on. This one a little bit more harder to get to, but it's okay. Fuck this bitch hard, bruh. How the fuck I'm gonna get my hand up there, bruh? Alright, y'all boys, so we done got both of the damn catted down pipes on now on both sides. Got on out here. So now we gotta put the X pipe on and then do the other shit. So let's do that. So the X pipe is just basically you just put it through the bracket right there. The little bracket right here. You see that motherfucker right there. And then you just put it up and slide it on the mid pipes, and that's it. Day 2. So now we got the car back on the ground and shit, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna place all up somewhere, and then we'll do a first startup, and then I'm gonna take it to the gas station. So I'll put some gas in a bit because I know it's kind of low. Let me see. I wanna place all that. I guess I can get y'all like right here. Actually not too bad. Better than what I expected, not gonna lie. Pretty good. I'll probably let it idle for a little minute, then we'll take it for a drive to the gas station. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see. Can I zoom in? It's gonna let me zoom in. I don't think I can zoom in. But like right here. See that coolant there? Seeping from the cover. Seeping from right here as well. I just done drove it just for a little bit just to make sure everything's straight. The coolant temp, that stays literally perfect. That shit don't move. It gets to operating temp and it stay there, so that's okay. The only thing really just this little leak, but it ain't none to me. I done did this shit took this shit apart and did about as many times as I can count. But where you at? This side, y'all see where that build up at right there? That's where that leak at right there. It's coming from the timing cover seal. I was thinking maybe head gasket, but that joint just keeps seeping. I see whenever it was fuck, y'all can't see shit. Whenever hold on. Whenever I don't think I can see that bit, but like right here, y'all can see that build up, and I was like, oh shit, maybe it's just something, you know what I'm saying? Maybe when I was pouring coolant or something, but then I seen that shit and it was like, it kind of was like as it was building pressure, it was bubbling. So I'm like, damn, that shit leaking. So I said, all right, cool, ain't no pressure. I just, you know, gotta take off all the accessories, fucking air intake duct, take off the time, all the components down here, alternator, harmonic balancer, water pump, tensioner, power steering pump, compressor. I'm probably just gonna pull this front end off so I get more access to that shit. And you know what? While I'm at it, I might as well just do the intake manifold gaskets too, because I don't know if y'all can see that shit kind of like getting a little bit oil from that too. So I might as well get that shit out the way. Like I say, these gaskets been on here, you know, them aftermarket gaskets don't last that goddamn long, but it did its job. It did its job. I can't complain about it. It's just regular maintenance shit you got to do with it. But since all that's done, I guess I mean, I ain't even mad, to be honest with y'all. It's really just give me more like, what's that shit called? it just give me more content to get to y'all boys about how to take the shit off, put it back on, shit like that, torque spec, shit like that. So I ain't really mad. It's just, you know, a little mistrial, as I can say it, I guess. But it ain't nothing too bad. That bitch still sound good though. We still got that bit right. You know what I'm saying? Bitch still sound good on sauce, nigga. Yeah. But as far as that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because I gotta get ready for work. There go my dog Penny. So I'm gonna see y'all boy when I see y'all boys. Yeah.